Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to set phone ringtones in Motorola phones. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video if you like it. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings option in your smartphone, then you have to swipe down, or you can just search it from the search bar option. Click on sound and vibration option, then this interface will show. Then swipe down, you can see there is a phone ringtone option. There are lots of phone ringtone option. Choose the default one, or you can just customize it on your own by clicking my sound. Default one are here, you can choose it and you can just save it from this option. That click on this and then save it like this. And if you want to make your own, then click on my sound and then there is none option, or you can choose from this plus option. Click on this plus option and this interface will appear. And if you have downloaded one on your internal storage, then find it wherever your folder is and then click on the music, and then it is set from here, and then choose this and then it is saved, and and ringtone will be saved. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.